How to view payment history in US Bank. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to view your payment history in the US Bank. So now without further ado, let's get started. So first thing first, open any web browser and now here, once inside the web browser, just click on the search bar and simply search for US Bank. And now here, once you search for the US Bank on the search result, you can just click on the first link and after that you'll be prompted to the official website of the US Bank. Now here, once you see the interface like this, just click on the login button and after that simply enter your personal ID and password on the next page to log in to your US Bank account. And here, once logged in on the main dashboard, you can simply click on the option labeled as loan or credit card. And after that, you can simply tap the account for which you want to see payment history. And there you can simply scroll down to see the recent transaction, or you can just tap statements to download or view detailed history. And that's it. That's how you can check your payment history with the US Bank account. With this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.